Hello, everyone! Welcome to Slow English with Story. Are you ready to learn English? Let's start our story together. Let's go! Is it really our first day?
Yes, I'm so excited.
I'm a little nervous.
We'll be okay.
What if I don't make friends?
You'll make lots of friends.
I hope so.
Are you ready, Tommy?
I think so.
Today will be fun.
Have a great first day.
Thanks, Mom. We will. The bus is here.
Let's go! Everyone looks new.
We'll meet new friends. Wow,
Wow, it's huge!
I love it already.
Where is our classroom?
Let's find it together.
Welcome to our class.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. Nice to meet you.
This place is amazing!
I like our classroom.
Welcome, everyone. Tell us your name.
I'm Tommy. I'm happy to be here.
Good job, Tommy.
Hi, I'm Ben. Hi, I'm Tommy. Want to be friends? Sure.
Today we learned something new.
Ailu, I like this class. Look at my drawing.
That looks great.
Who knows the answer?
I
I do.
Great job, Tommy.
Let's play together. Sounds fun.
Wait for me.
I was nervous this morning. I was too. Now I'm happy.
This lunch is yummy.
School is pretty fun. You're right. My first day is going great.
I told you it would be fun.
Today we discover something new.
Science is amazing!
It certainly is, Tommy.
Oh no, I made a mess.
It's okay, Tom.
Friends help each other. Thanks, guys.
Every story teaches us something.
I love stories.
Let's make it colorful. Great idea! Great idea! I don't understand this. I'll help you.
Great teamwork, everyone.
We helped each other.
We did it together. School is already over?
That was a fast day. I was nervous this morning.
But now you love school.
How was your first day?
It was amazing. We made new friends.